Okay, so welcome to another edition of Air Done Right video. If you're paying attention to this video, you could potentially save yourself a lot of money. So here we have a boiler. We've uncased it, and we're going to clean this, which is your heat exchanger. Now, a boiler is normally going to run you 60 or 70 years, easy. So with this regular maintenance, what you're going to do is you're going to preserve that life and ensure that you get it for a very, very long time. What's also interesting about this boiler is that it belongs to a homeowner who's going to sell their house. It is 35 years old, easily. But there's no problem with that because maintenances have been occurring on a regular basis. So all we have been doing is changing out parts every few years or so, hardly ever. And we're going to come here on a seasonal basis and clean this heat exchanger. This heat exchanger is basically cast iron, so when it heats up, it expands, and when it cools down, it contracts. It's going to make this fine dust, and that dust ends up going on those burners. If it goes unclean for a long period of time, that soot can get inside those burners and clog it up and cause all kinds of stuff, as well as bad carbon monoxide in your house. So if you want to keep a boiler for 50, 60, 70, 80 years, you're going to need this maintenance. Normally we run this maintenance for about $250 or less, and depending on how bad your boiler is. And again, this house is going to be sold with an older boiler that's 30 some odd years, but there is absolutely no reason that this boiler cannot run for another 25 to 30 years, as long as it gets this maintenance, which is absolutely paramount. Thank you for letting me share. And again, if you have a boiler and you need a maintenance, please feel free to reach out to Air Done Right. Thank you.